Good afternoon to all. Today's topic is find the Fourier series for f of x is equal to x minus x square in the interval minus pi to pi, and hence deduce that 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 16 plus and so on is equal to pi square by 12. Given f of x is equal to x minus x square in the interval minus pi to pi, f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx, that is equation 1, where a naught, an, bn are coefficients. For finding a naught, 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x dx. A naught is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi x minus x square dx, that is equal to 1 by pi integration of x is x square by 2 and integration of x square is x square by x cube by 3 for the intervals minus pi to pi. So the a naught value is minus 2 pi square by 3, and in the same way an is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. So we have to find the an value. So we have to use UV rule here, and by you have to be differentiated and we have to be integrated. So by Bernoulli's rule, integration of UV dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. So the integration of x minus x square dx is equal to x minus x square into sin nx by n plus 1 minus 2x cos nx by n square plus 2 sin nx by n cube. So the an value is equal to 1 by pi into x minus x square sin nx by n plus 1 minus 2x cos nx by n square plus 2 sin nx by n cube whole the interval minus pi to pi. So the an value is 0 plus 1 minus 2 pi cos n pi by n square plus 0 minus of 0 minus 1 minus 2 whole minus pi cos n pi by n square plus 0. So 1 by pi 1 minus 2 pi minus 1 whole power n by n square minus of 1 plus 2 pi minus 1 whole power n by n square. So the value is 1 by pi minus 1 whole power n by n square into 1 minus 2 pi minus 1 minus 2 pi. 1 by pi minus 1 whole power n by n square whole minus 4 pi. So the pi will gets cancelled. Minus 1 whole power n by n square whole into minus 4. Minus 1 whole power n by n square 4 into minus 1. So the an value is equal to 4 minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n square. So we have to find the bn value in the same way. So we have to find the bn value. 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi x minus x square sin nx dx. So we have to apply UV rule here also. The u should be differentiated and the v should be integrated. U is equal to x minus x square, u dash is equal to 1 minus 2x, u double dash is equal to minus 2. In the same way, v value is integrated. V is equal to sin nx, v1 is equal to minus cos nx by n, v2 is equal to minus sin nx by n square, v3 is equal to cos nx by n cube. By the Bernoulli's rule, integral uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. So the Pn value is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi x minus x square cos nx by n plus 1 minus 2x sin nx by n square minus 2 cos nx by n cube. So the Pn value is 1 by pi into minus of pi minus pi square cos n pi by n plus 0 minus 2 cos n pi by n cube minus of minus pi minus pi square cos n of minus pi by n plus 0 minus 2 cos n of minus pi by n cube. So the Bn value is equal to 1 by pi into minus of pi minus pi square minus 1 whole power n by n minus 2 whole power minus 1 whole power n by n cube plus minus pi square into minus 1 whole power n by n plus 2 into minus 1 whole power n by n cube. So the minus value and the plus value gets cancelled. So Bn value is 1 by pi minus 1 whole power n by n into minus pi plus pi square minus pi minus pi square. Here also the positive and the negative values are gets eliminated. 1 by pi minus 1 whole power n by n into minus of 2 pi. Here pi value gets cancelled. So the remainder is minus 1 whole power n by n 2 into minus 1. So the Bn value is 2 into minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n. Substituting the coefficients value in equation 1. So by this x minus x square is equal to minus 2 pi square by 3 whole by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 4 into minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n square cos nx plus 2 into minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n sin nx. X minus x square is equal to minus 2 pi square by 6 plus 4 summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n square cos nx plus 2 into summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n sin nx. So let the value of x is equal to 0. 0 is equal to minus pi square by 3 plus 4 into minus 1 whole square by 1 square into cos 0 plus minus 1 whole cube by 2 square into 0 plus minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 square into cos 0 plus and so on, and plus 2 into summation n is equal to 1 to infinity sin n into 0. So the pi square by 3 value gets to right side, goes to left side, and the value is kept on left side. So the 4 will gets to left side and hence the value is approved. Hence the value is proved.